Hey everyone, it's Brittany from Vintage Society Co. and I'm back here today to give you a tutorial on how to optimize using your Vintage Society Lightroom presets. I'm going to show you how to tweak the presets so you can really create beautiful imagery. I've uploaded this image of my back patio into Lightroom by choosing an image from my camera roll. I will select the image and I'm going to slide over to the right, go into my presets, and today I'm going to be working with the Vintage Society basic preset that you either installed for free or installed with our Fall Feels presets. When I click on the preset, you'll see that it doesn't do a lot of major changes, but this is a great place to start for editing. I'm going to select the check mark button. I'm going to start to look at my images. And then I'm going to start with the light folder. When I select light, I can play with the exposure, slightly bringing up the exposure. And I'm going to decrease the shadows just a little bit, especially in the upper part of the image. You can see how much the shadows affect it. If I bring down the highlights just a bit, then I can also bring up the exposure. And that might be it in the light folder. I'll switch over to the color folder, and the image to me looks a little bit yellow for how I edit my images. Everybody has their own feel, and you guys can play around with that too. I'll slide the temperature from yellow and take it down just a couple for blue, maybe to -2. And you can really see some of the green shadows going on, so I'll slide the pink up just slightly. And you can always tap and hold the image to see a before. So if I hold down the image, you can see the before and how much it has changed. I'll go into the effects folder next, and I'm going to up the texture. Texture brings out some of the clarity and the sharpness in the image. I might slide down to dehaze and up the dehaze. Careful not to dehaze too much, or you can end up with a very grainy photo. I'll go into detail, and the sharpening is set at 35, and I might go up between 40 and 50, just slightly. And there you have it. That is playing with some of the options and some of the available tools that are in Lightroom. So using the Vintage Society preset is a great place to start and building upon from there. Then I can tap on my image again to see the before and the after. When you're happy with your edits, hit the box with the up arrow in the top part of your screen, select Save to Camera Roll, and then you can choose between small and maximum. If I were to share this image on my Instagram feed, I would choose maximum available, and the image will now be available in my regular camera roll. Happy editing, and I hope these tips and tools helped you out today.